Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new topic in which I will tell you about if you are having any issue regarding your USB connecting, like it's connecting or disconnecting, and again you are having notifications in your device Samsung S22 Ultra, how you can solve it. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to our today's topic. If you are connecting the USB with your device and sometimes it's connecting and disconnecting and you are having notifications again and again, so you can solve this issue by the way as I am showing in the video.